Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Let me log in. I'm using Kali Linux in VirtualBox. This is my VirtualBox and I'm running Kali Linux. So now I will set up some virtual web application. Vulnerable web application. So there are bWAPP and then Mutillidae and then vulnerable web application. So this will be coming up in my video tutorial in YouTube. First of all, I'm just going to set up the prerequisite. Actually, we need XAMPP. So for that, we will search XAMPP download and then follow the step. So we'll search XAMPP download and then we'll go to this website. Here we have different options to download. And as I'm using Kali Linux, so I'll be downloading the Linux version. You can download it for Windows. You can download it for your iOS, and you have to be sure about your PHP version here. For that, open terminal and then type PHP -- version, and my PHP version is this is 8.2.5, 8.2.4, and this is near to 8.2.5. so I will download this, and it depends upon your PHP version. So for me, I will download this. After it gets downloaded, I will show you the steps. So as you can see, the download is complete. We will go to that folder where our file is located. Downloaded. Here we can open a new terminal. This is downloads folder in Kali Linux. We'll just open a terminal here, and then we'll do lsl, check for the file permission, and here I have only read and write permission. I don't have execute permission for the current user, the root user. So I'm login as Kali, as you can see. So I have to give that permission before we start the installation. Right now, read write, no X permission, execute permission. So we'll do sudo chmod +X, and then the file name. Then I will type my password here. And now if I do the ls-l command again, you can see this time we have the execute permission, read write execute. Earlier only we had read write permission, no execute permission. Now we have the execute permission, and the color is also changed. Now we'll clear the screen. So we are good to go. We can do // and run the installer. Press enter. So you will see this. Again, it says installation requires root privilege. That's okay. So instead of this command, we will also add sudo, the magic word, and then press enter. So we are in this directory and installing this .root, and we change the permission also. Now we will click on forward, and then forward again forward, again forward, and the installation unpacking is done. So this is the new version of XAMPP. I have some earlier videos also. I have demonstrated how to download XAMPP and bWAPP, damn vulnerable web application, and Mutillidae too. But this video I'm doing because some of you are getting some errors So that is why I'm just demonstrating the latest version, and also for the other bWAPP and Mutillidae we will have the latest version. So this time we are going to do that. Almost done. Okay, we'll click on forward now. No, not forward actually. It will take some time, but soon we'll be able to install it. As you can see, creating uninstaller 70% is done, 75%. Okay, now we can see this. Finish. If you don't want to launch, you can uncheck this, but we will now finish and launch XAMPP. And you can see this. We will close this downloads directory for now. We don't want that. And it says Firefox is already running. We can ignore that because our Firefox is running, and it will actually open some screen like advertisement kind of, or that XAMPP was successfully downloaded in your Firefox. So we just ignore that, and now we can go to this section, manage servers. Here you can see Apache server is running. If you want database, you can start this also, and if you want FTP, you can start Pro FTPD. As you can see, it's starting, and then Apache web server is running, and we can stop all, we can start, or we can restart all with these 3 buttons as you can see below. And now we have MySQL database running, and Apache web server is also running. We can stop also, we can restart. So for now it is done. So this is how we installed it. In my next video we will continue with the installation of bWAPP and Mutillidae as well as DVWA vulnerable web application. So thanks for watching.